For our floor cleaner, that experiment is going on. Now we have changed the container also. Now I was search of switch. Okay, this switch we had used earlier. This one on and off. Okay, but this is not a push button switch. This is on and off. This switch is our conventional switch. Okay, this one. But what I found is a more beautiful and cute switch. This one. This is a push button switch. Okay. So like this. So this switch will work fine for us, though it is not that much small, a medium size switch. Okay, but on and off. Let me see whether it's working perfectly or not. So what I have done, I have connected a motor here just to check this switch is functional or not. We connect it. This is now running. Okay. If I press it, this is off. So this switch will work for us. Okay. Now by pressing it is just working as on. The motor is moving. Okay. So this switch is suitable than the other one. So let me connect this switch. I'll use this switch for our floor cleaner. Okay, so I have to see how it fit. Okay, normally this type of switch should be fitted at the top of the cover so that one can easily on and off this. But often we have to open up the cover of floor cleaner. That's why I can fit it even at the bottom or at the side. Okay, that's all. Thank you.